All right, go.
All right, fire pit tutorial. Take the cover off.
Step 1.
Come over here to the propane. Grab the handles, lift it straight up. Go in here. Rotate or turn the knob to open. Open it all the way. Put this back on. Nice and easy. Should go flat. You come over here to the dial and you press it in and turn it so that thing is lining up with the lightning bolt, which is the lighter. And while you're holding it, you press down the igniter. It'll light, and then you continue. You let go of it and you turn it to high or low. So it's on now.
And which one is the igniter?
This one.
And you press that once the dot is lined up with the
Yep.
lightning bolt.
You hold down this, push it in, turn it, keep holding it, and then you hit the igniter.
Okay, and then how do we...
And then it's on. Turn it off. You turn it all the way back to off, and then let it cool down before you put the cover back on, or you'll melt the cover. Come back over here, and you turn this all the way to close, so you can't turn it anymore.
Okay.
And then you're done.